ashy. I need to wash my hair. I need to put some makeup on because I'm going on a date with my man later. Right, so remember how I said I was gonna come back? And I said I am tired of washing goes, but there is a product that I do want to try. She's a mess today, okay? All right, this is Rayna Camille. Yeah, let's go ahead, wash my hair, put some makeup on. Yeah, let's do that. I am so excited to try this. All right, okay, so I went and washed my hair. I deep conditioned. Amen. Y'all know I love the Doux. Okay. We have bought, look at how nasty that is. We have bought how many? Too many. You were here back in the day when I was like an eco styler, wet line, extreme. This is her now. Okay. So however, like I went so hard for that. She's that girl. Excuse me. Let me scooch on in here and tell you about today's sponsor, Colon Broom. Colon Broom is a high fiber psyllium husk supplement. Okay. And the reason that I'm taking it to reduce cravings, unhealthy snacking, and help with weight loss and weight management. And if you're like me and you struggle with weight management or like unhealthy snacking, digestive issues, then Colon Broom might be something to look into. The high fiber increases fullness, which really comes in clutch for unhealthy snacking. It improves and regulates digestion and also nourishes gut bacteria. And all this helps to maintain regular bowel movements. Now, if you know me, I don't play about my regularity, okay? It's something I'm very proud of every single day. One thing that I love is that Colon Broom can also help with overeating. That's kind of like my problem. I emotional eat. That's for a whole other video. Their taste is superb, okay? Like, I don't know if you tried other fiber supplements, but it could be kind of gritty and just this. It mixes really easily. It's a strawberry flavor. And then psyllium husks are all natural fiber. So that's very helpful for me because, you know, in my mind, I'm a holistic doctor. Okay, thank you. So it's a new year. What is this? I don't know. The kids do it. It's a new year. It's a new me. It's a new you. So click the link down below and get you some Colon Broom. Why? Up to 70% off using my special link and adding an extra 10%. Hello? Use the link down below. Get started on your journey of having a healthy digestive tract and system and all the things. Thank you, Colon Broom, for sponsoring this portion of the video. This pimple patch really get on my nerves, but anywho, this is the Chief Rocka Extreme Moisture Mousse, high performance defining styler, detangles, conditions, defines, and shines in one step. However, I have tried this 2 times. One on its own. It's definitely what it says. It's a flexible hold. I'm not a flexible hold girl. Okay. So the second time I tried it with this, baby girl, so good. However, I did have quite a lot of flaking, okay? This is a curl custard, right? But it acts like a strong hold gel. Those together, it was a done deal. Now, this is what I'm interested in. The Crazy Sexy Curl, Honey All-in-One Setting Foam, and the Chief Rocka. First of all, the pump, she gets it. We're just gonna do about 3 pumps. And it has a banana smell. And I'm not a fan of banana, but this smells really good. Okay. I'm trying to tell you, the dude she just don't miss. When I first tried this, and I tell you, my hair was so moisturized, so defined. But the only thing that lacked for me personally was the extra hold. And she says it right there. It's a flexible hold. So I put in the Chief Rocka first. My hair feels amazing. So I'm gonna take my dimming brush and we're just going to brush it through even more. Of course, you can stop right here. You definitely can if you want that flexible hold. As you can see, before I move on forward, there's definition, okay? This is what I like to see. All right, but because I want more hold, I'm gonna go in with the Crazy Sexy Curl All-in-One Setting Foam. Again, it detangles, conditions, defines, holds, and shines. So hello? Thank you. So I am going to put it all in this whole section. I'm not gonna subsection. I just gonna put it on top. I'm gonna start to work towards my roots. I want the whole strand, I want all my strands to be defined and shine. So now, even though it's separating it for me, I'm still gonna go ahead and just shingle. And if you have not been here in a while, I love a good application. If your product is not gliding through my strands, I'm gonna have attitude. Look, hello, it's a mousse, okay? I'm just gonna take the product, because you know mousse, you can feel it move up and down your strands pretty easily. So I'm just taking the mousse that's already on the strands and moving it up to my roots and just shingle the product or products through. I'm gonna tell you one thing, I'm gonna be hurt if this doesn't come out, only because it just feels right. Like, it just feels so good. Like they feel like they were made for one another. Yes. Let's move forward. For the Chief Rocka, I'm gonna take this big section. I'm gonna do 4 pumps. I love that it's a detangling, like, you know, property in here. So you don't need to, it literally is 1 step, okay? So we have the Chief Rocka, and the curls are definitely, they are, yeah, that's what I said. So now I'm gonna take the Crazy Sexy Curl. I took about 3 pumps, and I'm putting it on this big section just to saturate all of the hair. Bring it as close as I can to my roots. When you do that, it's just gonna give you a lot more movement and control. All right. And then we're gonna go ahead and start to shingle. If you are on the Doux team or whatever the case, then please don't change your formula. Please don't change. Please stay. This was literally like maybe 2 pumps in this section, and the curls are just, oh. As I put the Crazy Sexy Cool on top, it gives me like the, you know, the weighing down of this. All right, so this is how my hair is looking. It's giving gel. It's really, really giving gel. And that's what I'm looking for. There's tons of shine, tons of definition. I will be hurt. Okay, I will be so hurt if this does not come out, because it looks so good. I know people say how your hair looks wet is how it's gonna kind of look when it's dry. So if your hair was frizzy while it's wet, it's gonna be frizzy while it's dry. However, it don't work like that for me. That's what I'm saying. You gotta follow your own rules. We have all these rules, but Chad, it don't work for everybody. Let's diffuse, okay, and pray. High speed, high heat. I don't touch the prongs on my hair. I just do it around, and then as my hair dries, then we go ahead and get it together. So. See the definition. This definition is insanity. My hair is very moisturized. Yeah, I think if I stretch this, it's going to mess it up, because I do not have like a cast or a hold, which is what I really was looking for. This definition is crazy. Definition is what's blowing me away. The shine and a little bit of frizz doesn't really bother me, but I just really wanted to bask in this definition. The Doux is going to do it every time. I know you see it. Don't even play with me and act like you don't see. Sweatshirt is still a little, she's still a little damp, but I have a question. Do you see it? How does my hair feel? Very soft. There's no cast in sight. It feels like I did a really good, extensive, deep, expensive treatment on my hair. These two together, I'm convinced that Tamala Man and her husband David Man has something to do with this, because it is just this is this is hands down an amazing combo. Wow. My hands are not sticky at all. I have not washed them. Not sticky at all. There is no flaking. This looks good. Scooching on here just one more time. Don't forget to check out Colin Room. The link is down below in the description box. Again, 70% off, extra 10% using my code. Okay, love you guys. Bye.